So the insulation I like to use is mineral wool. A couple reasons for that. One, you get an R15 out of it and a 2x4 wall compared to R13 for the regular pink stuff with the paper tape or the paper face. And really I have to say the paper face, there's not too many situations where I pull drywall out and you don't see some kind of mold. So the mineral wool, it's fire resistant, and if it got wet, it's not going to mold. So I think those are two really great benefits to spend a couple dollars more for this. It's really easy to cut if you have, you know, to slice things down. Just get one of these insulation knives. They usually make a difference, especially for the mineral wool.